Welcome back to Autos Vehicles, your trusted destination for the latest updates, insights, and deep dives into the world of motorcycles and automobiles. Today, we're exploring the 2026 new Hunda CRF 750L, a machine that's expected to push Honda's legendary dual-sport DNA into a bold new era. Designed for riders who demand real-world versatility, the CRF 750L aims to bridge the gap between long-distance touring comfort and serious off-road capability. The CRF legacy and the 750L vision. Honda's CRF lineup has always stood for durability, balance, and rider confidence. From lightweight trail machines to rally-inspired adventure bikes, CRF models have earned a reputation for reliability in the toughest conditions. The CRF 750L is envisioned as a middleweight dual sport that combines the approachable nature of smaller CRFs with the muscle and refinement of larger adventure platforms. The goal is simple: one bike that can commute during the week, explore trails on weekends, and handle long-distance journeys without hesitation. Design philosophy and road presence. The 2026 CRF 750L is expected to follow Honda's modern adventure styling, clean lines, functional bodywork, and a purposeful stance. A tall, upright profile improves visibility and control, while slim ergonomics help riders move freely when standing on the pegs. The front fairing and windscreen are likely optimized for wind protection without adding unnecessary bulk, keeping the bike agile both on pavement and off-road. Honda's focus here is balance. Rugged enough for dirt, refined enough for daily riding. Engine and performance expectations. At the heart of the CRF 750L, Honda is expected to use a refined parallel twin engine tuned for strong low to mid-range torque. Rather than chasing extreme top-end numbers, the emphasis is likely on smooth power delivery, predictable throttle response, and long-term reliability. This kind of tuning benefits riders in real conditions: slow technical trails, highway cruising, and loaded touring. With Honda's engineering, riders can expect reduced vibration, efficient cooling, and an engine that feels comfortable across a wide range of riding scenarios. Transmission and ride control. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is expected to offer a slick shifting manual gearbox, with the possibility of Honda's advanced rider aids enhancing control. Smooth clutch action and well-spaced gear ratios would make city riding stress-free, while still delivering confidence on steep climbs or loose surfaces. Honda's focus on rider-friendly engineering means the bike should feel intuitive, whether you're a seasoned adventure rider or stepping up from a smaller displacement machine. Chassis, suspension, and handling. A lightweight yet strong frame is central to the CRF 750L concept. Honda is likely to employ a steel or hybrid frame designed for durability and controlled flex, improving feedback on uneven terrain. Long travel suspension is expected at both ends, tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining stability at higher speeds. This setup allows riders to tackle rough trails, gravel roads, and broken pavement without constantly worrying about balance or control. The result should be a motorcycle that inspires confidence, even when conditions change unexpectedly. Braking, wheels, and tires. For a dual sport machine like the CRF 750L, braking performance must be consistent and predictable. Honda is expected to equip the bike with strong disc brakes supported by modern ABS systems optimized for mixed terrain. Spoked wheels paired with dual-purpose tires would further reinforce the bike's go-anywhere nature. This combination ensures stability on highways while maintaining grip and durability off-road, making the CRF 750L a true all-rounder. Technology and rider comfort. Honda's recent models show a clear trend towards smart, practical technology, and the 2026 CRF 750L should be no different. A clear digital display is expected to provide essential information without distraction. Rider aids such as traction control, selectable ride modes, and optimized ABS settings could enhance safety while still allowing experienced riders to enjoy full control. Comfort-focused details, like a well-padded seat, natural riding triangle, and thoughtful vibration management, are likely to make long rides more enjoyable. Everyday practicality and adventure readiness. What truly sets the CRF 750L apart is its expected versatility. This bike is designed not just for epic adventures, but for everyday life. Fuel efficiency, manageable seat height, and balanced weight distribution would make it suitable for commuting and errands. At the same time, strong subframe construction and accessory compatibility mean riders can easily add luggage, crash protection, and navigation gear for extended journeys. It's a motorcycle built to adapt to the rider's lifestyle. Who is the Hunda CRF 750L for? The 2026 Hunda CRF 750L is aimed at riders who want freedom without compromise. It's for those who don't want separate bikes for city riding, touring, and off-road exploration. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a dependable adventure companion, or a growing enthusiast ready to step into the middleweight category, the CRF 750L promises approachability without sacrificing capability. Final thoughts. The future of dual sport riding. About the machines shaping the future of riding. The 2026 new Hunda CRF 750L represents Honda's vision of modern dual sport motorcycling. Reliable, versatile, and rider-focused. While official specifications will define the final picture, the concept alone positions the CRF 750L as a serious contender in the middleweight adventure segment. It's a bike built for real riders, real roads, and real adventures. Stay connected with Auto's vehicles for the latest updates, detailed reviews, and everything you need to know.